Now that we've looked at the loop devices, let's look at the panel I/O. When we expand the panel I/O, at the top of the list you'll see all the panel inputs represented as gray arrows pointing to the left, and all of the panel outputs represented as green arrows pointing to the right. Let's take a look at some of these inputs. When we look at the trouble input, you'll see it's very similar to the FRCME. We have our input actions, we have our action messages, we have our input delay, we have our latching, non-latching option, output delay bypass, location text, and zone information. You will notice that all the panel inputs and outputs reside in Zone 0 by default. Zone 0 is reserved for panel inputs and outputs. Looking at the reset input, you see the configure input settings are all the same. The difference is the default setting. The intermittent input is very much the same with different default settings. The fire drill input is fixed and cannot be changed. When we double-click or select Edit Settings, nothing happens. The programmable function button is also configurable just as the rest of the panel inputs.